Let's check the oil in the old 3406 here. About to warm up the Freightliner and go pick up something. I can't say what yet, but if all goes well and we get her bought, probably need to put that back on. Our stuff wouldn't go well. And we get her bought, you'll be the first to know. Hasn't went well yet. We haven't drove the Freightliner in a minute. And it's pretty cold and the batteries are dead, even though they're pretty new. So off to a rough start, but we're gonna pick one of these to go jump it and see what we can do. All right, she's alive. Jumped her off of the dump trailer. So we'll let her warm up and collect her thoughts and recharge, get on the road. This bed, damn it. It's leaking like hell, so it should fit in with everything else around here. Let's go the hell inside. Getting the bottom plates back on after we washed it. This is the first maiden voyage for the pintle hitch loaded since I've owned it, actually going down the road. So can you still see? You got a spot. You got a spot. There's a pretty good sized dam where I'm at, all the way around there. It kind of fades off in that corner. Ryder's getting some grease in the 50 and some fuel in the skid. Start moving some dirt. Pretty small little pond. Hopefully I can get down to something hard. We're getting her cut in. You can see where I'm sloping that down over there. This is what it looked like. Silted all the way to the top. Getting her straightened out now. Got Eric Motter and the Bobcat doing some fine work down here, getting this end cut in. Ryder's down here in the 323, getting that end cleaned out. How cool is this headlamp? Like, I forget that it's nighttime. I really do until I look real fast, like, moan back. 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 Woo! Can you imagine all the things I can get done now that I can just see everywhere I go? They wonder how the pyramids were built. Those assholes had headlamps, guaranteed. There's no way they didn't. Okay, turn it off. Watch this. Ready? You ready? I'm not even touching it. This is like in case I fall in a hole or just shit goes south, they're gonna find me. They have to. If you hop on Amazon and buy one of these, damn it, you may, you may check all the bolts and stuff. Let's put it up here. There, hopefully you can see something. I don't think you saw something. I bet in here, maybe this will be better. Oh yeah. Forgot to take a video when we were leaving the pond, and really I didn't have my camera holder, my mount in the excavator. I don't know where it's at. It's probably stuck to a fender somewhere. So I didn't really get a video at the end, but we did get a little bit of drone footage of it, so I'll throw that in right here. Pond went good. Everything's home now. No complaints. We're at the landfill today. About to try to clean up this D8 and that haul truck.
I think it's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a great day. Let's get after it.